What up, guys? All right, so today I want to show you how to solve the problem with connecting this K9 wireless microphone to your iPhone. Yes, so we've had complaints, and of course I also experienced this. I bought the first one. I couldn't connect my iPhone to this. So this is what I'll be showing you. So please stay with me till the end of this video to solve this problem. So before I show you how to do this, of course, let's unbox this, okay? And so this is it, the K9 wireless microphone, ladies and gentlemen. I present to you. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you by showing you how, by telling you what this is, and no, of course you can figure that out. Okay, so this is a microphone, and of course it has the clip where you can clip it to your maybe your shirt or wherever. You can clip it to your shirt. I can even clip it to my bed. So, all right, so that's nice. It's not going out again. Okay, all right. So this is the microphone. Then we have the receiver. So with this guy, you just need to connect it to your phone. Sorry, connect it to your phone. Then and start using your microphone. So right now I'm going to show you how to connect. Before I go to the iPhone, I need to show you how to connect this microphone to your Android device. All right. So some people also complained they couldn't connect this microphone to their Android device. I'm going to show you. It's very simple. So you just need to use the receiver and connect it in the charging port here. So if you're using Type C, it's direct. You can just direct. But then if you're using Type B Android device, so the microphone came with an extension where you can connect to this and connect to your Android, Type B, your iPhone. Okay, so but for this now, I'm using my Android. Here is my Type C, so I just need to connect it direct. So once you connect this now, to start indicating red, showing that it's connected. Now, so you take your microphone. Of course, there's a power button here, so press it for at least 3 seconds to come up. All right, like you can see now, it's indicating green, red, green, red. This means it's not connected yet. So for you to know it's connected, to show just green. So it's not connected. So now how do we fix this now? So I'm going to show you this now on my Android phone. Stay with me. Now, so with your Android phone now, so just go to your settings. All right, so I can start looking for this. So just go on your search button and type OTG. All right, so it's here. All right, so click on the OTG. All right, then turn it on. So once you turn it on, it will show connected. All right, so it's connected now. Now that it's connected now, if you go back to your microphone, you see it's showing green on standby, meaning it's connected. So that's very simple. So you can talk with this now. For now, you can't tell the difference because I'm recording with my iPhone. Okay, so now it's connected. So that's how to connect your microphone, your K9 wireless microphone, to your Android device. All right. So now let's go to the business of the day. Let's go to connecting this microphone to your iPhone. Okay, so once you get this thing, it's very simple, unlike the Android device. So this is very simple. So all you need to do is just take this straight to connect your receiver straight to your iPhone, like this. Sorry, I forgot to use my iPhone connector. So connect the iPhone here. All right, it's connected now, right? So you take it there and fix it there. So let me hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me be sure it's connected. Okay, so it's connected now. If you turn on the microphone, so it's showing green, meaning it's connected directly. So if I talk now, you can hear the difference. It's very clear now compared to how it was before. I believe you can tell the difference now. So now let's get to the problem why I'm making this video. So now some people, when you buy this microphone and once you connect your receiver to the iPhone, you observe that, you discover that it's, instead of showing just green on standby, you're still having the red and blue, red and green, red and green blinking. All right, it will be blinking red and green, red and green. It means it's not connected. Now, how do you fix this problem? All right, to be honest here, there's no fix for this, at least for now. Yes, because I've tried this myself. I spent the whole day trying to fix this problem. So I bought the first K9 wireless microphone. It wasn't working. I tried all the methods. I did research. I did everything I could trying to fix this. It wasn't working. So I discovered that some of these devices are not compatible. They might work with um Android, but then not compatible with iPhone. So that is why I would always recommend, before you buy this guy, make sure it's tested. So which is why you shouldn't buy. Okay, I'm not trying to spoil market for online vendors. No, this is why you shouldn't buy from online, because you won't have the chance of testing it. So it's advisable you buy it from a store where you can test it first before you leave. So before you buy or before you pay for it, make sure it's tested, connect it first, and make sure it's working before leaving the store. Okay, so you won't have to go through the stress I went through buying and going back to change it. Luckily for me, I bought it from a store, so I was able to go back to the store, and of course I made my complaints, and I was able to get another one. So with that, it worked automatically, and that's how it should be. Once you put your connector, it should work automatically without stress. So please, before you leave, before you buy this guy, make sure it's tested there in the store before you leave. So for you, those of you that have already bought it and of course can't change it, I'm really sorry. I wish there's a way to solve this problem. All right, please. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please, if you're just watching our video for the first time, please show us some love. Show us some love. Please subscribe to our channel and share, like, and also comment. All right, so I'd like to see you in our next video. Stay blessed. Thank you.